this part in order. So we are talking about an, that is these an words belong, they belong to indefinite article group. Okay, indefinite article group. So an. And when do we use an? For singular nouns. Example, singular noun. ID number, cell phone, address, house, teacher, book. Singular, right? And in order to say, to use an, we have to focus on the sound. Sound. So here we have ID, an ID number. Cell phone, cell phone. So this is consonant, consonant sound. A cell phone. Address, address. It's a vowel sound, an address. The same, an address. Ha, house. It's a consonant sound, it's not a vowel. House, a house. In that case. Teacher, a teacher. A book, boo. It's consonant sound, right? Boo. Book, book. So book. Okay. In that case, we use with a vowels. We use with a consonant sound. Okay, with a consonant sound. With a consonant sound. An with a vowel sound. Okay, consonant sound, vowel sound. Do you notice the difference?
Yes, teacher.
That's why we say we have to pay attention to the sound. Which sound? The noun sound, the noun sound. So what is the sound of this letter? What is the sound of this letter? Is vowel or consonant? If it is vowel, you use an. If it is a consonant sound, you use a. And pay attention to the pronunciation. It's not a, no, it's a. Because it's a word. It is not the alphabet letter. No, it's a word. It's a, an. Okay? Teacher. It's a consonant sound. Consonant sound. And what do you need? Book, the same. Book is a consonant sound. But address, it's a vowel sound. And you need an. Okay, so you have to pay attention to it. If it is consonant, if it is vowel sound, an. And you have to pay attention to the noun. Good. Now tell me with that explanation, what do we have here? We have this word. What do we need? Vowel, vowel sound, consonant sound, a or an? Which one?
An university.
Okay.
An.
Here.
A home.
An.
An actor.
An actor. An.
Yeah, I will listen. Both. You say both. Okay. Here. 3.
An
4.
A doctor.
Dentist.
A doctor.
Dentist.
A dentist.
Honest man.
Correct.
An.
controlaste tú.
Okay.
Controla lo que
Now,
comes.
listen.
Si no
Listen,
me
please.
voy a llevar esas cosas. Y yo nunca he necesitado llevarme las cosas a Arturo.
Sophia. Sophia, pay attention. Okay. Listen to me. It says, listen. You have
Sorry,
to,
teacher.
I want you, please, don't worry. I want you to pay attention. If this letter, if the noun begins with a consonant sound or begins with a vowel sound. Listen. It says university. 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 It's a vowel sound or consonant sound. University.
Consonant sound, teacher.
Consonant.
Okay. And what about this one? What about this one? Hour. 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 Vowel or consonant sound?
An.
Vowel sound.
Consonant.
Hour. Hour.
Consonant.
Vowel sound, teacher.
If you say consonant, consonant is hour.
Yes.
Hour. No,
Yes.
it is not consonant sound, it's hour. Hour. University. Hour and university. So, what's the correct?
University. A
University.
university. And our.
Yes, that's right. That's right. So that's why, por eso, that is why, por eso, that's why, por eso I said, focus on the sound. Sound of the, ¿sonido de qué? Sound of the noun. If this letter is vowel sound or consonant sound. Okay, I said focus, please. So what you have to now, what do you know? That you is consonant sound. It's university. University is a consonant sound and it's not vowel sound. And hour, it's a vowel sound. The H disappears. It's not mentioned. So it's our university. When it is vowel, what do we need? And when it is consonant, what do we need? A. Okay. So vowel and consonant A. A university, an hour. An hour. Here, no problem, is actor, right? It's a actor, an actor. The doctor, it's here, consonant sound, a doctor. Dentist, the same, no problem. And honest. Here, listen, honest man, honest man. Honest man, no, honest man, honest man. So, it's a vowel sound. What's the correct form?
It's the consonant. It's the vowel. And.
An honest man. An honest man. Honest. Okay. Do you remember the song? Hay un tema, ¿no? Honestly, such a lovely, you know, it's honestly, it says, right? It doesn't say honest, no, right? It's honest, it's honest. Okay? You have to, that's why I said, todo el tiempo les digo, no, that's why, por eso. That's why I say you have to focus on the sound to use para usar a. Bueno, hasta el momento creo muchos han debido de tener el conocimiento de que si es vocal, an, si es consonante, a. Pero ahora estamos en una educación superior y ya saben esto más. Okay, that's it. Any questions?
I have question, teacher.
Karina.
Entonces, en Spanish, please. Entonces, se podría decir que el I y el an va a variar, depende al sound sobre el vowel o consonant, como ahora se explicó.
Yes, yes. Oh, yes.
Okay.
But where? In the noun, okay? Noun, you have to pay attention to the noun. Yes, Karina?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, and maybe it could be something difficult for you. You can check the dictionary, okay? Dictionary will help you. Dictionary will help you if it is vowel or consonant. Okay, y si ustedes buscan en el diccionario, como les enseñé a utilizar el diccionario, ¿verdad? En las barritas, las barras en la que está escrito la pronunciación fonética, ahí les va a decir si esto es consonante o vocal, ¿no? Y si está con un sonido vocálico, entonces es an. Y si es sonido consonántico, las barritas les va a decir, no, muchas veces podemos dudar, pero yo cómo voy a saber, estoy aprendiendo. Bueno, vamos a ir educando los oídos y el diccionario también nos va a apoyar ahí, ¿ok? Para usar. Pero son pocas palabras, no es que se van a confundir, ¿ok? So, this is what I can add to your knowledge. Any questions?
No question, dicen.
No question. Okay, now let's continue. Now you had the homework. Okay, what is the difference? Gloria asks. Okay, what is the difference? The difference is that in the singular we don't use a. So that is the difference. In the singular form we don't use a. Okay, in the plural form we need plural of I will say the plural es or es. Okay. In the singular, for singulars, I will write some examples. But here, let me write. Yeah, I will teach now this.
Siglas plural.
What is the difference? What is the difference? For example, the difference is, I said, he is a teacher. Yeah, singular. He is a teacher. I want to use this one. He is an excellent teacher. And it's different if I say they are excellent teachers. What is the difference? The difference is that this sentence is singular form, and this sentence is plural form, singular and plural form. Why do I know this is singular, this is plural? This is singular because I am using a, in this case, an, because of vowel. Excellent, an excellent teacher. They are excellent teachers. Here I am using plural. Here I am using article that marks singular. He is an excellent teacher. They are excellent teachers. That is the difference, Gloria.
Sí.
It is an e-reader. It is an e-reader. Plural. They are readers. Plural. E-readers. Plural. The noun is into plural. And this is singular. Another example. This is what? A good book. This is a good book. These are good
Books.
good books. Singular and plural, that is the difference. For singular, what do you need? For the noun, it is, okay? For plural, obviously this is plural, are and books, okay? Any questions?
Está bien.
Okay, no questions. Now, I will explain when, because it's not just S, the plural form. It's not just S, as you can see here. Okay, that is the pronunciation. Like a snake, okay? No, we have another form. What is the other form? It is ES. Okay, in that way, in order to explain that, I will tell you plural rules. What does plural rules mean in Spanish? What does plural rules mean in Spanish?
It means reglas. Reglas en plural.
Yes, that's right. That's right. That is the meaning, okay? And I will explain you when, cuando, when do you use ES? ES, the pronunciation is Z, Z, okay? And we have another that is IES. So we have these three forms in order to make it plural. It's not just ES and IES. So they are three. We have three forms. Okay. One is, another is ES, IES. For example, this is number one. Okay. Number one. When do you use for most nouns? Okay. For most of the nouns, you use, for most of the nouns you use to change singular to plural. Okay, to change from singular to plural, for most of the nouns you use example. We are talking about nouns. Pay attention, nouns. Okay, what does nouns mean?
Nombre, teacher.
Yes, nouns. Okay, so we have singular, and we're going to have plural. Okay, singular and plural. Singular. Singular is a doctor, plural, doctors. Singular and plural. Okay, from singular to plural. Most. What does most mean? Para muchos. Okay, para muchos. A doctor, doctors. Okay, a doctor, doctors. Singular, you need a. Singular, you need a. And for plural, you need okay. Another example. Somebody said umbrella, for example. Umbrella, plural,
Umbrella.
umbrellas. Right? Umbrella, umbrellas. But singular, an umbrella. Right? An umbrella. And plural, umbrellas. An umbrella, umbrellas. Right? Why an? Because of, ¿por qué? Why an? Because it is a vowel sound. An umbrella. An umbrella. Here, umbrellas. Umbrellas, plural. Yeah, and so in that way we can continue naming, okay? We can continue. Number 2. This is number 2 rule. When do we use ES? When do we use ES? So, use ES when the noun ends in, when the noun ends in letters X, S, X, S, Z. And also we have SH, CH, and O. If the noun ends in one of these letters, so you use, if the noun ends in one of these letters, X, S, Z, CH, O, what do you need? What do you need? ES. Is, okay, ES. Example. 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 We have singular as well, and we have plural. Singular, we're going to say a box. Plural, boxes. Why? Because ends in X. X. And it says, if it ends in X, what do you need? X, ES. You need ES. A box, boxes. Another example. Another example. Can you give me a noun? Noun. We're talking about noun.
Sir, a cash, teacher.
Yeah. Cash.
Cash,
Yeah.
cash, yes.
Caches.
Cash.
Caches.
Cash.
Okay, can be an example. Another example.
Mm,
Yeah. Cash now yeah, can be, as I said, puede ser, es can be, okay? But aquí vamos a ir, y esto lo vamos a ver más adelante. Con nouns and non-count nouns. ¿Ok? Para el ejemplo está bien, ¿ya? Pero no les quiero complicar la vida. Sin embargo, hay nombres contables y no contables. En este momento estamos con contables. Contables, quiere decir 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, ¿ok? En cash es un nombre no contable, no pertenece. No podemos forzar a decir cash es. ¿Ok? Hay nombres contables, no contables. Entonces, por el momento esto no va. ¿Ok? Because cash is non-con now. Es no contable. Es como el agua, aguas. No, right? It's non-con now. Yeah. Another example, church. Church. Okay. Church means iglesia. Church means iglesia. Okay. Church means iglesia. So singular, a charge, right? Plural, charge, charges. Why? Why? Because of ch. Charge, charges. Okay. Another example. One more example. O, with O. With O. O. How do you say papa in English? How do you say papa in English?
Potato.
Yes. Potato.
Potato.
Yes. Singular, a.
Potatoes.
Plural,
Potatoes.
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 Potato. Yeah, potato. That is more Spanish. So we have to say potatoes.
Potatoes.
Yes. Okay. Good. This is rule 2. What about rule 3? Yeah. Well, in rule 2, what you have to do is to focus on that. Focus on if it's X, S, Z, SH, CH, or O. And you have to X, CH, O, or S, like dress, for example. Dress, yeah, singular is dress. Plural, dresses. Yeah, singular address, dresses. Yeah, another example. Okay, in that way you have to pay attention. ¿En qué termina? What's the end of the letter? Yeah, and to use this one, es. Okay, and pronunciation is boxes, charges, potatoes. It's not potatoes, charges, no, boxes, charges, potatoes. It's kind of, es como la, ¿no? El sonido de la Z, right? That is the sound, okay? Now, what do we have here? We have 3, number 3. Use IES. Okay, I say use IES. Use IES. When do you use IES? When when you use IS if the noun. Estoy hablando de nombres por si acaso. Use IS, ¿cómo convertimos nombres singulares a plurales? ¿Ya? Use IS if the noun ends in Y. Use IS if the noun ends in Y, but it is preceded by a consonant. Use IS, so use IS if the noun ends in Y. But the Y it must be preceded by a consonant. Okay? Use IES if the noun ends in Y. But this Y must be preceded by a consonant. Example. Singular, and plural. Singular. Boy, no. Toy. No, toy, no. It's not preceded by a spy. I'm crazy. Yes, I think it's like that. No, sorry. This is spy. Yeah, spy. What does a spy mean? A spy. A spy. Another example I have that is family. A family. A family. Family, yeah, singular. You know, I want you to, you're going to get it. Singular and plural. Can you see? Yes, right? So don't sleep, please. Pay attention. Open your eyes and your ears. So,
He, teacher.
singular, a spy. Aquí. Yeah. Okay. Good example. Aquí. Yes. Now let's change. Cambiemos. Let's change into plural. Spy, for example. Plural. Spies. Family. Plural. No. Yes. Families. Key. Oh no, what happened here? Now pay attention. This is a clear example. You not to confuse. Why? The rule says, la regla dice, use IES if, si el nombre termina, if the noun ends in Y. Ya, ahí tenemos. Spy es Y. Family es Y. Yes. Cumple. Key, ya, es Y. Perfecto. Pero means but it is preceded by a consonant. So this Y tiene que estar preceded. What does preceded mean? Precedido, antecedido. Consonant. And here we have consonant. Consonant is what color?
B, C, D, F, G.
Yeah, and P is consonant. P is consonant, so cumple. Family, L is consonant. L is consonant. Cumple. Key. Y está precedida por consonant o vowel.
Vowel.
Entonces no cumple. ¿Quiénes cumplen? 5 families. Pero no key. Key, entonces, ¿a dónde pertenece key? A la primera regla. Key,
Yes.
keys. Keys, key, keys, key, keys, key, keys. Entonces, no cumple. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What do you have to remember? Rule 2, rule 3. Y lo demás al 1. Okay, you have to pay attention to this 1, 2, and 3. 2 and 3. Okay, good. Yeah, so far, hasta ahí. Me falta todavía. Tenemos que explicar los irregular nouns. Tomorrow we're going to continue explaining that. Stop. Let's practice now.